you ever been in a sticky situation where you're on the golf course around the green? Today, I'll be showing you how to hit a flop shot and a bump and run. First, I'll be showing you how to hit a bump and run. This shot keeps the ball around the ground really low and gets us some speed to move across the green if the hole was on the other side. So to do your bump and run, first you're going to want to take your 8-iron. This just gives you just enough loft where you have the bump, which gives it a little bit of loft, bounces across, and goes in, hopefully, in the hole. So you're going to want to start by bending your knees and just like a regular shot, except you're going to want to go really slow, just like a putt almost. Next I'm going to be showing you a flop shot. This is mainly used if there is a tall object in your way, like as if the green is up higher than where you're standing and you need to elevate it. For a flop shot, you're going to want to stand with the club on your front foot more. So when you swing through, you gain more loft. And then you want to make sure that the club face is sitting back so it has more loft, so it'll go up more in the air. And you want to have it right behind the ball, just like this. And you want to make sure it's a smooth swing. So when you're slicing, that means that it's going hard right, and it's a big problem for a lot of people. So what I learned how to do is when I'm hitting, I just gotta hold the club regular, but I want to have it back more. So then when you swing, it's all the way through and it has less loft, which will push it lower to the ground. When you are hitting it lower, farther back in your stance, it will sit lower to the ground and it will just stay low overall, which will be better because if it goes up high, the wind can push it around, and when it hits the ground, it will just stick. It will stick and not move very much. But when it's low, it'll hit the ground lower and keep rolling, and that overall is much better. If you're struggling with your slice a lot, another really good thing that you can do is just slow down your swing, let the club do more work. Because if you slow down your swing, then you're like just letting the club face do more of like the distance, and it doesn't matter how hard you're really hitting it. But obviously if you swing harder, it'll go farther, but it's not always going to be as accurate, or it might slice really hard. But you just got to make sure you have it back in your stance and just a smooth, nice swing hitting the grass. Here's the ball. If it was back more in my stance, this is where I would have it. And see, it's back more in my stance. So when I swing, it'll come off the club face lower. If you have the ball farther back in your stance with a really slow swing, it will do good because the club will do all the work. Here's a shot from behind of the ball farther back in my stance with a full swing. Here's a smooth swing with the ball far back in my stance, so I can keep that ball flight really low. Just very slow, very smooth. Let the club do all the work. As a member of the Byron Bears golf team, I hope that my knowledge will help you if you find yourself in a tricky spot in the golf course where you need to utilize one of these two shots. Today I've shown you the keys to a good flop shot and bump and run. And remember to bend your knees. I hope that you now see how easy it is to hit a flop shot and bump and run and feel ready to try one yourself.